everyone, I'm Kavya. I created a software robot using TagUi RPA. These are my codes. Let's take a quick look. First, the robot visits student learning space, and then it types my username and password. Then it clicks the login button using XPath. Then it clicks the to-do list using XPath. It waits a few seconds and saves a screenshot of all my homework, which is done using SQL Visual Automation. Now, let's go to command prompt and run the program. It takes a while, but the robot works well. I'm not doing anything. The robot is typing the username and password by itself. After clicking the login button, now it'll navigate to the to-do list. Then it'll take a screenshot of all my homework. The automation took 19.4 seconds. Now let's take a look at the screenshot. I am a student who just completed my PSLE and I'm waiting for secondary school. During the pandemic, there has been a lot of home-based learning going on. Some students might forget their passwords while others might not be able to spot their homework. As such automations will be very helpful. It also reduces time consumption. By this, students will be able to focus on their real education. Thank you.